Hi there, I'm Christina. Today on It Is a Keeper, we are making a quick and easy cranberry sauce. This recipe is so much better than the stuff you get in the can, but I'm not gonna lie, I love the canned stuff too. But I really love this recipe because it's so easy to make and you can make it a few days ahead of time. In fact, I think it's better if it has time to sit. Now, make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so when I share a new recipe, you're sure to get notified. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So let's start making some cranberry sauce. Okay, let's get started making this quick and easy cranberry sauce. I just love it because it's bursting with fresh berry flavor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reserve half a cup of the fresh cranberries and just set them aside. We'll use those later. So I see a stem on this one, so I'm just going to pick that off. There we go. And we're going to put the rest of the cranberries into this pot. And I have this right now over a medium-high heat. We want to start the cranberry cooking process. So to these, we are going to add some orange zest. So I have this neat little zester here. I'm just going to run it over the peel of my orange. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see all the oils from the zest just kind of coming out. This is a great way to get some nice orange flavor infused into our cranberry sauce. So I'm just a few more scrapes of the orange zest here. All right. Set that aside. Now to this, we're going to add some sugar because our cranberries are very tart. So we're going to need quite a bit of sugar to sweeten these bad boys up. We'll get that in there. And we'll add a little bit of water. There we go. Hear the action starting. So I'm going to give this a stir. And we're going to just let these cook. And we'll start to see those berries burst. But I want to get that sugar all stirred in there because we don't want it to burn on the bottom of the pan. So get that all mixed in. Oh, it smells so good with the orange. Berries. This right here is the holidays. All right, so this cranberry mixture has cooked down. I'm turning the heat down even lower. See, all the beautiful berries have really cooked down. Some of them are still intact while other ones have just totally smushed out here. So it's got a beautiful texture to it. Okay, so our berries have been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to give them a stir. We're going to turn the heat up a little bit and cook them a little bit longer because we really want these to cook down into a nice sauce. And it's starting to thicken up and you can see the berries are bursting. We want it to go just a little bit more. All right. This has been cooking for a little while longer. Everything has just broken down. It looks perfect. I love the color, this deep, cranberry color. And it's just right. I'm going to turn the heat back down to low. And now it's time to add those cranberries that we reserved earlier. So we're going to put that in. And what this does is it gives the sauce just a different level of texture because we have these berries that haven't cooked down yet. So when you bite into it, you're going to get some of them that were cooked down, some of them that are still intact. So I have the heat on low. I'm just going to let those sit for a few minutes. We don't want them completely firm. We want them to soften up just a little bit. So while this cooks down, I'm going to get my bowl and we are going to give this a try. So here we have our finished cranberry sauce. Just look at that. It's beautiful. Got a beautiful color. It's still a little warm. I can see the steam coming off of it. So you want to cool this down, put it in the refrigerator, let it hang out for an hour or two, get nice and cold and come together. It's perfect. But I'm going to give it a try while it's still warm. See how this is. I don't want too big of a bite. The texture of this is perfect. And I get these little bursts of orange from that orange zest. This is perfect for all of your holiday meals. You need to give this a try. You saw how easy it is. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.